Okay, so this thing here is the weight sled. So again, a really great bit of functional kit, pushing and pulling up and down our track. You can make it as light or as heavy as you want. So we've got the plates here, so you can just stack or take the plates off as you want. Obviously, the lighter you go, the probably quicker you can kind of go up and down the track. The heavier you go, you're going to have to just take a bit more time getting into the legs, getting into the calves, kind of push it up and down. So again, like you would a deadlift, you want to make sure you've got a nice straight back, no kind of curved spines, and you're really digging in the heels. And we're going to be engaging our quads, our hip flexors, our glutes, calves, core, back. Again, another great kind of all rounds movement, but mainly focusing on our kind of posterior chain. So it looks a bit like this. Ooh. And then back, like so. Nice and simple. I'm keeping my arms, triceps really tight into my body. Obviously you've got a couple of different handles. They just kind of change the position a little bit. But yeah, again, this is a really great one just to play around with, adding into a circuit, doing like a minute on, a minute off, something like that. So yeah, enjoy.